Good evening, everyone. In this tutorial, as a spoken English teacher, I have given you many different tasks, and I do believe that you will try to explain about your view related with the certain topics what is given to you. First and foremost, you know that what is much more formal. You have to give your introduction, then try to clarify about your presentation, which is playing in your mind. So let's start without wasting time. Who is the initiative? As an initiator, I would like to come to this career.
Good evening, my dear friends. I'm Shudip here. I read in class 6. My school name is Batra MSPC High School. So today in our tutorial, our respected sir gave us a very nice topic for discussion. The topic name is how sports can be an education. So to starting this point, first of all I want to mention that sport is still edification. So it's help us as lots of way and many ways. As like as we try to learn education for to make our career, for to get job in our early stage. So as like as sports also help us to fulfill our dream too. So I mention how sports help us. It's a mind freshener and it help us to get happiness. It also help us to be physically and mentally strong. And not only that, it also deal with our education. It help us to be made relationship, and the main point of this topic is it help us to know the outside world. So sports is much more helpful for us, and always to depend or as an example, a boy who is much more addicted or love to do study or education, he can't play very well. So for that reason his health is not totally good or well. So he become always very ill, weak. So that's a bigger problem, because we everybody know health is first, then education. So in the next I want to mention as an example, in our school every year our school authority arrange an annual sports competition. But why? For to because always or every day to do lots of hard work and smart work of those children. They should be play and try to being physically fit. So for that reason school authority arrange this. And in the next I want to mention the slogan that Swami Vivekananda told, that always to engage with your study book can't help us. Try to play football and try to play. It help us to be physically and mentally strong. So sports always play a vital role in our life, but it also have many bad side too. As like as the main problem which children can't understand, that is time management, is a bigger problem which children can't understand. So for that reason they spend a lot of time or invest a lot of time in their sports. So for that reason their main goal, the education, will can't totally being fulfilled, succeeded. So that's a bigger problem. So the main point, or in the last I want to mention my own opinion, that is try to do your education. So as like as try to give a total equal important and few times in sports. So that will become so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes. Good evening, my respected sir and my dear friend. I hope you all are fine. And my name is Kamal Biswas. I am in class 5 and my school name is Nayana School. So today our respected sir has given a nice topic. That topic name is how sports can become an education. Yes, and sports also teach us in many ways. It help us to be, it help us in concentration. Suppose in football many players come from many states and many countries. It help us to develop our languages. Language skill. Yes, I said before that many players come from many states and countries. Then we have to communicate with each other by any one language. That language is English. If we speak with each other by dint of English, then there will not any problem. Yes, and it help us to get us happiness, and it help us to be physically and mentally fit. be physically and mentally fit. And in our school also, in many times that sports also held, sports day held. These all are important. Yes, all the time study is very much unhealthier
And
for
boring.
yes, boring also for us. If we can change our mindset by playing any kind of games, so this kind of helps sports helps us. But there is many kind of negative points, especially children. I am agree with my friend Putu, Sudeep, what he have tell first, that children, they do not have that kind of sense that they are playing 2 hour or 3 hour. It is very harmful for us, because we invite an addictual with the sport. So
Addictionality.
yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
My name is Shreya Ghosh. I read in class 8 and my school name is Darshundri Balika Vidya Bhavan. I hope you all guys are doing great. So let's start our topic. Today our topic name is how sports can become an education. Sports give us mentally and physically stability. We go to school to learn discipline, planning, sports, and how to make relationship hardworking also, and how to make relationship with other. So in sports there is also same, and I agree with
Same lesson, that's what
same lessons, and I agree with Sudeep that sports is a mind freshener. Sports is also a mind freshener, and it's proved that sports build our mentally structure and mentally preference. Sports give us energy, and energy is needed for study. Shami Vivekananda said that don't stick with your study. Play something to follow this method. Our health and mind both are being well. My ambition is being a cabin crew. Their cabin crew has is a responsibility to plan fast. So in sports is a better teacher for me to planning.
How do you
So
make your plan?
we are I am
make-
Sudeep
yeah.
are making
Make
a
our full
inner
form.
meaning
Yes.
of sports, that is
S for social,
and P for physical, and O for observe,
and-
R for relation,
and T for tutorial. So that's maybe can be the
it's not
inner-
proved.
Yes.
It's not proved, but we
It's
found that it's not take it for granted,
Yes.
and I think it's a better meaning of sports.
In